Hey everyone! I've got an incredible story to share today about how Anjali Black worked her magic on Troy Bowditch's credit score. Troy was in a bit of a jam with his credit, but that all changed when he found Anjali. Troy left us a glowing review on a verified product review website. Here's what he had to say. Anjali Black is very helpful. She did an unreal job at fixing my credit score and very fast too. She was very fast at replying and made the process easy. Just imagine the relief and excitement Troy must have felt. Not only did Anjali fix his credit score, but she did it with speed and efficiency. Troy's got a fresh start and a brighter financial future ahead, all thanks to Anjali's expertise. If you're struggling with your credit score, take a leaf out of Troy's book. Reach out to Anjali Black and see just how quickly she can turn things around for you. Remember, a good credit score isn't just a number. It's a key to unlocking better financial opportunities. So why wait? Let Anjali work her magic on your credit score too. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found Troy's story inspiring. Catch you in the next one. Subscribe now.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.